Get ready to call me crazy, but wave functions aren't real. Superposition is not real. General relativity isn't real. Now, before you freak out in the comments, just let me explain. When a physicist talks about a wave function, a particle being in many places at once, or a space-time curvature, they're not describing what the universe actually is. They are describing mathematical models that predict the measurements we make. Full stop. And what are those measurements, you might ask? Clicks on detectors, reading on instruments, things we ultimately must perceive with our senses. Quantum mechanics and general relativity are extremely successful, but they're built by observations made by creatures like us. Creatures with minds, shaped by evolution to perceive a very specific slice of reality. So these theories do not describe reality as it is in itself. They do describe how the universe appears when it interacts with our measurement tools, which ultimately means when the universe interacts with us. Physics gives you the map, but the map is not the territory. So if physics gives us mathematical models of our measurements, then the big question is this: what is the thing that those measurements are actually interacting with? Because whatever the underlying reality is, we're not perceiving it directly. We're perceiving an interface tuned by evolution. And that raises a really weird possibility. Maybe the fundamental layer of reality is not physical in the way we normally imagine. Maybe what we call the physical world is just the way something deeper appears to conscious observers with our particular senses. I'm inclined to think that the territory, which underlies the map of the map that we draw with physics, is utterly unlike what we think.